Hello, everybody. Welcome to this section again. And in today's topic, in today's session, we are looking at the topic linear equations. Now, when we talk about linear equations, we are referring to studying of equations that involve linear expressions. Now, when we say linear expression, what do we mean? It means the highest power these equations, this kind of expression can have is one. So there are no power of 2, power of 3, power of 4. Power of 2 will be quadratic, power of 3 will be cubic, power of 4 will be quartic, and all of that. But linear, the power is 1. The highest power is 1. So you can see the expressions represented here 3x plus 5 equals to 2x minus 1. It's a linear expression because the highest power of x here is 1. And that defines what a linear equation is. So we have two objectives in mind. The first is to or three actually. The first is to recognize how what a linear equation is, how to recognize it, which I just spoke about. Uh, the fact that it must have a power of one only. The highest power must be one. Then the second objective will be to solve. How do we solve these linear equations? And finally, the third objective will be how do we graph them? How do we graph if you want to see how it looks like on a graph? So we'll proceed to the second objective, which is solving this equation. How do we solve it? Solving it means we are looking for x in this expression. Now, look at it carefully. To solve for x, the first step will be you move all the terms in x to the left-hand side and the constant term to the right-hand side. So that process is what we call collecting like terms. So when any term moves from one side of the equality sign to another, it changes sign from positive to negative and from negative to positive. So when these two x moves from the right to the left, it becomes what? Negative 2x. When this 5 moves from the left to the right, becomes negative 5. So that gives us this new expression. We can call this, let's just label this, let's label this equation 1, and then we'll label this one equation 2. So we can see that in equation 2 after collecting the like term. Now the next step is to simplify this equation 2. And how do we do that? Simply subtract 3x minus 2x will give us s, minus 1 minus 5 will give us negative 6. So this gives us the solution to our equation in 1. So x equals to negative 6. So now, how do you know if your answer is correct? You can test. Put x equals to negative 6 into expression 1, and what you have on the left hand side should equal what you have on the right hand. You can take that as a simple homework to do at home quickly. Now let's proceed to the next step. I wouldn't want the video to be too long. Okay, let's see how we quickly graph this solution on the graph. Now we'll head over to Google. There is a graphing tool I want us to use. It's called Desmos. Just go to Google, type Desmos, DESMOX. It's a graphing tool, and then you will see, you can click on the graphing calculator. Once it opens, this is where you enter your function x equal to negative 6, and that will give you the line, the graph of x equal to negative 6. It's a straight line passing, cutting through s equals to negative 6. So this is the graph of x equals to negative 6. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, share with your friends. More of this content will be dropping soon, interesting topics, and I want us to keep engaging with our friends. And I believe with time, you get a grasp of this uh, easy method of solving problems like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.